Eddie Bauer Packable down jacket review. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed. Now today we're going to take a quick look at the Eddie Bauer Packable down jacket. So I've been using this for I would say like 18 or 20 years. I'm even not sure. And this is a very nice jacket for travel because it has almost like no weight. And the thing is, when you fold it, then it becomes really tiny, and you can just even put it in a bag like this, which came with the jacket, and it becomes very negligible weight and it takes almost no space, and you can just put it in your bag or backpack for travel. Now I remember that when I was in Australia and New Zealand, even hot countries can get cold all of a sudden, if you go to the mountains, or at night, or if it rains, or depending on the scenario. So I had this with me all the time, and it was all of a sudden it was cold at some places, and then I had to I just wore this because it's very lightweight, so I was carrying it everywhere. Another case of use would be that if you live in a cold country and if you're going to a hot country, let's say if I'm going to Philippines or Maldives or Thailand in September or October or December from Canada, then I don't want to carry a full bulky jacket because it's gonna weigh me down for the entire trip. So what I do, I take a very light jacket like this, and I just wear this up to the airport. I don't get cold because usually I'm taking an Uber or transit where there's a heating system, and then once I'm at the airport, then I just remove it, and I'm wearing just a t-shirt or a small hoodie or something like that, and then it sits in my backpack or luggage all the way. And then I again use it when I'm when there's hot, when there's all of a sudden cold temperature in hot country, or when I'm coming back to Canada. Now the idea is that you don't have to have the same brand, same version of jacket. Any type of jacket like this, whether it's down or artificial fabric or filling, would do the same job, as long as it's this type of mid-layer jacket. So this is not a winter jacket. You cannot, this is not going to be protecting you from winter, but for travel purposes and for lightweight, this type of jacket is extremely good. And the Eddie Bauer 80% down jacket, I've been using it for 18-20 years, and still it holds up completely fine. There's no issue, no problem. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys, and that's my travel setup for a jacket when I'm traveling, and any type of jacket this sort will do the trick. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.